Hey guys, this is Gio. Wherever you guys want to come. Look at my wet ass feet. So wet. From the fresh water from the Amazon. Oh, that's so weird. Alright, anyways, it is fucking raining crazy out there. So just be careful. Look at my sister. Look at her fat ass. Turn it. Hey, look, guys, the chat there is just a umbrella. Oh my gosh, look at me. I'm coming to kick you guys' ass. Oh yeah, 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 yeah. Oh shit. This umbrella. Oh yeah. Coming. I'm coming. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I'm here. The fuck that shit on my face? That shit on my face. I'm serious. Yeah. Stop. Anyways, outside is pretty crazy. I got the umbrella here. Claudia. Alright. Just like that. Now, this is outside. Feet are getting soaked out here. Ah, shit. Shit, the damn thing wants to fly away. No, nope. Not getting my phone wet. Not today, sir. Sonny, not getting my phone wet. Just show my face. Alright, anyways, outside is really crazy. Oh my gosh, this umbrella, I can barely even keep it still. Alright, I think that's enough today. Sorry, guys. I'm losing connection. Nah, I'm just fucking with you guys. Alright, anyways, it's pretty crazy out here. It's just, ugh, fat ass. Okay, 1 second. Oh my gosh, just sweep all this water up. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Alright, anyways, sorry, there's nothing to really do. I just got bored, so. Did it literally stop raining that fast? Anyways, just came out to get the mail. There's nothing to do in the fucking house. Shit. Why the hell is this shit up? Get the fuck down. Get the fuck. Alright, get the fuck down. Sorry guys, I only have one hand. Actually, I have no hand, so I just banged the shit down. Alright. Oh shit! Fucking umbrella, don't get fucking caught with that shit. A shitload of sticks. Alright. I keep on saying shit in this damn video. Alright, I'm gonna stop swearing for a while. So, I'm just gonna say, guys, there's nothing to do. So, I'm just gonna YOLO this bitch. YOLO, bitches! Oh, fuck, oh, fuck, oh, win, no, be a good friend of me. Be a good friend of me. No, not friend of me. I mean, like, be a friend to me. Don't be a friend of me. I mean, friend of me suck. Oh, she's doing the YOLO, bitches! YOLO, bitches! Let's go back. YOLO, oh, shit, my phone's gonna get wet. Alright. You take care of that umbrella. Yes. Can you go inside and turn the fucking light on? It's getting real dark. Look at this thing. It's getting real. Oh my god. Oh my god. Go up. Sorry. There we go. Right. There we go. Now I have some light. Alright. Anyways, it's getting pretty dark out. That's it. Please comment, subscribe, give a thumbs up, a nice big thumbs up, big one. If you guys like this video, friend, smash the goddamn into your face with your fist. Punch it in the face. Punch the like button in the face. Punch it if you like. Only if you guys like this video. If you guys hate it, go someplace else. And if you guys don't like screaming, go someplace else, because this is all about screaming! Alright, you guys like it? Like, we should draw like a like button here. Punch that like button. And it's fucking shove your fist up its asshole! That's what you guys do to the like button if you guys like this video. Only! Goodbye! Do everything else.